Good morning friends, myself Niranjan Nayak. Welcome to our channel Quest. Today is 28th January. Let's recall some of the memorable events happened on this day in history in form of questionnaires. Question number 1. Who is freedom fighter titled as Punjab Kesari born on this day in 1865? Answer Lala Lajpat Rai. Question number 2. Who was the first commander-in-chief of the Indian Army born on this day in 1899, was one of the only two Indian officers to hold 5-star rank of Field Marshal? Answer K.M. Cariappa. Question number 3. Who is Indian physicist born on this day in 1925, best known for his India's nuclear program and remembered for his Operation Smiling Buddha and Operation Shakti? Answer Raja Raman. Question 4. Who had suggested the name Pakistan for a different nation for Muslims of British India on this day in 1933? Answer Chaudhry Rehmat Ali Khan. Question number 5. Which year was the factory of HMT clocks introduced in Bengaluru? Answer 1961. Question number 6. Which city in London was lit by gaslight on this day in 1807 for the first time? Answer Pall Mall. Question number 7. Who is Indian classical vocalist and tabla player from Mewati Gharana born on this day in 1930? Answer Pandit Jasraj. Question number 8. Who became the King of England at the age of 9 years on this day in 1547 following his father's death? Answer Edward VI. His father was Henry VIII. Question number 9. Which newspaper became the first independent daily college newspaper in US on this day in 1878? Answer Yale Daily News. Question number 10. The book Pride and Prejudice, written by which novelist, was published on this day in 1813 in United Kingdom? Answer Jane Austen. Her first novel is Sense and Sensibility, released in 1811. A film is also made on this book. Question number 11. Construction of which tower in Paris of France started on this day in 1887? Answer Eiffel Tower. Friends, thanks for viewing this video. If you feel the video is useful for your exam point of view and for the competitive quiz shows, then like, comment, share and subscribe.